Hi, good evening. My name is Muhammad Aidil from the National University of Malaysia, majoring in chemical engineering. I'm in my third year now, and I would like to take this opportunity to thanks to Stack for giving the opportunity for me to involve in this project. So without further ado, I would like to answer the question given to me. Alright, for the question number one. So one of the most challenging learning experience I encountered was during the MMC Upstack Igniting Engineering Innovation competition, where I needed to display our project prototype. So at the time, I struggled because the prototype suffered water damage and burning the circuit a day before the competition. So to overcome this, I display only the main unit or the smaller scale unit to the judges and explain it how it worked in detail. And I also include an explanatory video made before the competition for them to view the functional unit. And eventually, I was able to secure second place in the competition. And this experience taught me the importance of problem solving and critical thinking, and to always think a step ahead in everything we do. So I think my problem solving skills, teamwork, and adaptability make me a great addition to my team. Like, for example, during the 2024 National Chemical Engineering Symposium, NACES, in collaboration with Institution of Chemical Engineers Malaysia, I was treasurer. And at that time, we ran into some serious budgeting issues. Unexpected expenses started popping up, and at one point, it felt like the whole event might be at risk. But I wasn't about to let that happen, so I stepped in, reorganized our financial plan, and honestly, had to get a little creative. And I secured additional sponsorship from the industries, managed our expenses carefully, and somehow we will pull it off. Not only we stay within budget without cutting corners, but we also make a huge profit at that time. To answer that question, yes, recently I learned console to perform simulation related to heat flow in two key projects. The first one for the APEC Research Center for Biohydrogen Technology as Challenge 2024, where I focus on renewable energy, specifically biodiesel production. And the second one for the poster and pitching competition, where I simulated a thermal insulation foam made from empty fruit bunch. And at first, I thought learning console was quite challenging for me because it has a complex interface, and setting up accurate simulation requires a deep understanding of both the software and heat transfer principle. So to overcome this, what I do was I studied online tutorials, practice different simulation model, and sought feedback from experienced mentor. And over time, I became more and more confident in using console to analyze heat flow effectively, and unexpectedly won one of the competition. In any interdisciplinary team, different perspectives are normal and sometimes beneficial. If a conflict arises, I will first ensure that everyone's viewpoint is heard by encouraging open discussion. We are a team, right? So I will then guide the team to focus on our common goal and evaluate ideas objectively. If needed, we could test multiple approach on a small scale to determine the best solution. By doing that, we can turn disagreement into productive discussion and achieve the best outcome together as a team. So I'm really excited about the hands-on research part of the summer school project because it is such a great chance to take what I learned in engineering and apply it into the real world challenges. Plus, getting to work with experts and peers from different backgrounds, that is huge. And I know it's going to push my technical and problem solving skill to the next level. And honestly, it's a great way to expand my network too. And I'm really looking forward to explore new technologies and innovative approaches, especially in sustainable engineering. and it is such an important field. And I feel like this experience is going to be a big step in shaping me into a more well-rounded engineer. More than that, I want to use what I learned here to make a real impact in future projects.